Hello lovelies, hope you're all doing really well. It's been a hot minute since I posted anything on my Embracing My Curls channel, and I'm doing it just because I've been to the hairdressers today. I'm going to put kind of a before and after picture at the end so you can see it, but I have had my hair cut. I know it doesn't look like I've had a lot cut off it, but it does look better. Like, everything seems like, apart from this, because this is all my fringe, but it's like the hairdresser said, she said everything's one level. So this bit from here to here is one level. This bit just needs to grow in now. So what she did is she cut it so like there's only literally about that much, so that all my head will be one level. So it is looking better. I can see it's looking better, but you can be the judge of that. You can be the judge on what your thoughts are. But it did need a really good cut. I haven't had my hair cut in 2 years, so this is what it's looking like 2 years on. Well, I said to her, I said, I do want a wolf cut, but you need length for the wolf cut. She said, which version do you want? Do you want the mullet? And I'm like, no to the mullet. I've seen some really nice women with wolf cuts and it looks really nice, but probably by the time my hair is long enough, I just want it down to about here. Because she was saying, what, do you want it like double what you've got now? And I said, no, I said, I just want it like here at my shoulders. And she said, oh, well, you've not got that far to go. And if your hair's looked after, then it should be growing really. And so I said, why is it not? And she said, it could be a number of things. It could be illnesses. I do suffer with epilepsy. So having epilepsy has never stopped my hair growing before. Like, I do have a lot of volume, a lot of thickness. So rather than length, I seem to be having a lot of volume and thickness. And it has always been thick. So I'm not bothered about that. What I am bothered is why it's not grown that much over the last 2 years. So I've had various different blood tests and they can't tell me what the issue is. I mean, I'm not balding or anything like that. My hair is in very good condition. I've got a lot of it, like I've said. So she said it could be hormones, and I'm like, what, like perimenopause? And she went, well, yeah, possibly. And I said, well, I don't know if I'm going through it. I said, but I'm at the right age. And she went, well, yeah. So it could be that. It could just be taking its time. It could be my curl pattern. My curl pattern's really small and tight, which, yeah, I mean, who knows why it is. I'm hoping now that it's had a little bit of a cut, it will grow a little bit more. But she did put layers in. She put layers over here on this side, and then she put even more layers on this side because that's where my parting is. So when she first cut it 2 years, I got her to put a fringe in, and obviously if there's a fringe in, there's not as much over here. It's all over here, so literally that's all my fringe. It's grown so much, my fringe. So it's growing over here, but not growing lengthwise. So that was a concern for me. But yeah, hoping it's going to start growing and then I can go back in a year. She said, I'll probably see you in a year's time. And I said, yeah, well, hopefully before that. But yeah, I'll see you again soon and we can do the other cut. Or maybe at that point, maybe I just won't want the wolf cut. Maybe I just want a trim, like, and just keep on top of it. I want it to get down to the shoulder here and then just stay there and just go for regular trims, like every 6 weeks like you're supposed to, not once every 2 years. But anyway, I thought I would show you what it looks like. I'm going to hop on again when I've washed it. So when I've washed it and styled it, it's not washed and styled because I just had a dry trim. Yeah, I feel like it's a lot better. It's kind of like sitting on the neck again. I do feel like it's a lot better than it was. And it's like that all the way around the head as well. I can't show you obviously because I can't take a picture of my own head. I'll try and get a picture of it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.